What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Baba stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the news that will drive the entire market in upcoming sessions. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. At this point, when this asset hit the negative 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, it was the price point of $83.75. It hit it, then bounced back to the range of resistance and hit it again and bounced back again. And at this very point, I've told you that this asset was in a quite undecisive phase, and we have to see its next movement, its next breakout below the range of support or above the range of resistance. And depending on the price action and the volume around that is supporting this price action, we might conclude in which direction this asset will go for upcoming several sessions. And as you can see, it broke the range of support. And then it bounced back, but for now it has again quite harsh decrease in its price and it lost on the pre-market session about 2.6% of its value. And I have to say that fundamentally we might have an extremely harsh week, upcoming week, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Definitely you know that Israel is under attack and terrorists are trying to destroy this state. But I have to say that this news drives the entire market down, but the oil price is up. And I have to say that China in general also have some kind of tensions with Taiwan. And if this conflict becomes a real conflict, definitely all the Chinese stocks will go much lower. And we have to keep this in mind. On top of that, let me show you this article that was published on October the 5th, and it says, Alibaba accused of possible espionage at European hub. Belgian security service says Chinese group's logistics arm in Liège under scrutiny over use of sensitive data. And guys, probably you remember the last year when it was the tensions around the delisting of Chinese stocks from US stock market, and China allowed their companies to be listed on the foreigner stock exchanges in exchange to not release the sensitive data. And this news shows that potentially some of Alibaba's branches might collect this sensitive data and might send it to the headquarters in China. And definitely it also might be quite negative catalyst. But let me show you this news. If you click on this small icon, you can find this article. It is just repost from Dow Jones Newswires, and it's titled Alibaba stock looks appealing as cloud unit IPO may help unlock value, market talk. And let me quote you this in details. Alibaba stock looks appealing amid the current market volatility as the coming IPO of the company's cloud unit is likely to provide an opportunity to unlock value in Alibaba assets. Nomura analyst Jai Long Shi says in a research note. The brokerage estimates the company's September quarter revenue grew 8% on year and consolidated EBITDA likely rose 13% on year. China's recent official data shows a persistently cautious sentiment among Chinese consumers, which might lead to slower e-commerce growth. But Alibaba, Vipshop and NetEase remain attractive stocks in the next 3 to 6 months, the analyst adds. Nomura maintains a buy rating and $142 target price on Alibaba's ADR. The ADR was last at $86.06. And I have to say that this quite bullish forecast is in line with the consensus analyst price target of $138.64. And I have to say that we don't have a lot of recent updates regarding Alibaba stock price. The most recent one, according to this list, was made at the very end of August by Susquehanna, and they set the price target at the range of about $160. And in general, in the long-term perspective, this asset is quite lucrative because it is in consistent downtrend, and if all the risks will be removed from the table, we might see the huge upside potential for this asset in upcoming months. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we broke this range of support at around 83.9 or about $84 mark. And we have this bounce, but on the pre-market hours, again, we can see the drop in its price. And because of the recent news that are not so positive on the markets in general, and especially, it might lead to quite a high level of fear. Definitely, we might see more volatility in upcoming week for the majority of assets. And in the bigger picture, let me remind you that this asset still has its golden pocket range at about $80 mark. And statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And let me remind you that I marked this range by pulling Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing low that was set back in October of 2022 and to this swing high that was set in January of 2023. And this range is still on the table, and we might retest this range again. And most likely we'll see at least a bounce to the upside, and then we, depending on the volume, we might make a conclusion in which direction this asset might go. So, and on the other hand, when this asset breaks its major previous swing highs, and for now we have several of them at around $96.5, at around $102. Let's put it this way, from $100, from the round number, all the way up to around $105. This entire range might be the range of resistance. And if this asset breaks this range to the upside, most likely it will be the beginning of a new major uptrend. But so far, we have to take a closer look on its current price action, and definitely if this asset will go in the same direction, I mean to the downside, and if it hits about $80 mark, somewhere here we might enter our long position, because it has to have some kind of bounce to the upside to unload this movement that during which this asset already lost about 13% to its current range and about 14.75% to the lowest point. And guys, if you want to have more confirmation, do not try to catch this falling knife, just wait for more confirmation. And the confirmation will be the retest of this range of support. Then if it bounces to the upside and then will not break again this range of this swing low, and it will have this type of price action, somewhere at these ranges you might enter your long position with anticipation to retest at least these several swing highs. And this will reduce your potential risks, but also it will reduce your potential profit. This is how technical analysis works, and for now I have to say that this upcoming week might be quite unpredictable because of major events that are happening right now on the Middle East. And that's why just be cautious and wait for the market when it reveals itself. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.